Hey guys, welcome back to this channel and yet another video. Today we're going to be unboxing and checking out the Spigen Silicone Fit MagFit case designed for the S25 Ultra. Now this case can be picked up from Amazon for about $18.99 as of this time, and it comes in three colors: black, there's a beige option, and there's a blue option as well, which kind of matches the blue phone from Samsung. So we are going to be applying it on this brand new unopened S25 Ultra. This one's for my wife. I have mine here with the Banks Armor case on it. If you haven't checked out that video yet, please go ahead and check that out. We did an unboxing and a complete test and a review for this case as well, so that'll be in my description below. You can check that out. So let's check out this case from Spigen. I've always been a big fan of Spigen cases just because their quality is really good, and for a very good price as well. They're not too expensive for what you get. And we can see the box is made out of recycled paper, and it comes in this recycled plastic bag, and that's about it for the packaging. I don't think there's anything else, so I'm just going to keep that to the side. Now I'm not too sure for last year, but I think for this year they did introduce the MagSafe compatibility for the S25 Ultra, which pretty much lets it charge at the Qi 2 standard. So that's 15 watts of wireless charging. This case itself, it's a silicone material, and it's got a suede liner inside with a polycarbonate material on the inside and a silicone material on the outside. So it has a really nice feel to it. It doesn't pick up fingerprints too easy, as you guys can see. Let's check out the cutouts and the buttons here. So we have the power and the volume rocker buttons right here. A couple of cutouts for your lanyard loop. On the bottom we have our charging port, speaker grill, and the S Pen cutout. Nothing on the left side of the case, and we have the mic cutout on the top. Okay, so let's go ahead and install it on our brand new phone here. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. We did do another unboxing of the white variant from Samsung. It's in my YouTube shorts, so if you guys want to check that out real fast, you are more than welcome to do that. So there we go. This one is the blue variant. It's called Titanium Silver Blue. And it comes in this really nice color here. So I'm just gonna remove the information there and get this out of the box. It's kind of hard, doesn't want to come out. I really like this blue. They had another blue. My wife, she has the blue S24, but this blue is totally different than that one, and I am totally struggling to get this out right now. It's in there pretty well. Okay, come on. There we go. Didn't want to come out. All right, so time for the peel. See if you get a good peel. Ready? Here we go. Oh, that was so good. Okay, so here's the phone. Look at that blue. That is so nice. And like I said, they do have this case in a blue color, which matches this. So if you want to go all blue, you can probably do that. All right, let's try to install this on the phone. There we go. I think that looks very nice. That complements the blue color pretty well. All right, so as you guys can see, it has a little bit of a lip around the cameras right there, which kind of sticks out. Let me try to focus here. There we go. You guys can see that on camera. There we go. So that kind of protects your cameras as well. As far as the screen's concerned, there's a nice lip that's going around the screen, so that'll protect your phone if you end up dropping it. I know it's supposed to be a stronger screen this year compared to last year, but you know, accidents happen, and sometimes you do need a case to protect your phone. Okay, I had to run and get my Qi 2 charger real fast. But yeah, let's try this on. There we go. It's not gonna fall off. It's got a really good suction to it. I don't know if you want to call it suction or adhesion, but it gets on there pretty well and it doesn't drop off. You guys can see there. Let's check it out on my phone as well. I'm just gonna take this case out real fast. Again, this is the Banks carbon fiber case. I don't really like bulky cases, so that's why I installed that one on my phone. Let's check it out on the white. There we go. That's how it looks on the white S25 Ultra. Let's check out the charging. Hopefully it comes across pretty well. Okay, as you can see, it's charging right there. I'm gonna power it off. There we go. There's the charging indicator. Now it is 15 watts charging because it's a Qi 2 standard, which is faster than the usual, I think 7 or 7.5 watts of charging that you get usually with the normal wireless charger. Okay, so there we go, guys. That was the Spigen Galaxy S25 Silicone Fit case. Let me know in the comments below if you're a fan of these kind of cases, or do you like something minimal like this for myself. But yeah, let's have a conversation in the comments. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and if this was helpful in any way. That's about it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.